Do you want to know how you can sign up for did.ai? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for did.ai. Go ahead and go to the search bar and search for did.ai and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this site where you can see you can create some interfaces using natural user interface NUI, which is by did. Now you can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click login, and then a login ID or your login portal will appear. Go ahead and click sign up, which is over here. If you already have an account, you can just go ahead and click login and sign in using your details, or else click sign up, and there are options of signing up using Google, LinkedIn, Apple, or your email address. You can choose any of these. Let me give you an example with the easiest one. Let's go ahead and click continue with Google. Make sure you do have a Google account before doing that. Select your Google account and click continue to sign into did.ai. And in a while, you can notice that you have just signed up for did. You can choose these options. Go ahead and choose this. You can read this and choose for what purpose you are doing this. Some of them are important, and there you go. This is how you sign up for did.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.